Scams targeting PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, and Venmo users. Zelle, PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo are popular peer-to-peer payment platforms. The P2P payment method allows the users to send and receive money electronically. Such payment methods are very convenient and often needed as a supplementary means to receive payments or to make payments. It does not matter whether you are an Airbnb host or a business operator, you will find P2P methods are needed in certain situations. Despite their general safety and security, scammers often target P2P users to seek fraudulent payments. The Federal Trade Commission, FTC, has reported a rise in P2P payment scams, with consumers losing over $2 billion to fraud in 2020 alone. Scammers exploit certain features of these platforms, such as account naming conventions and the request money function. Account naming conventions for these platforms are as follows. Zelle. User's account name is their email address or phone number. PayPal. User's account name is their email address or PayPal ID. Cash App. User's account name is their phone number or Cash App ID. Venmo. User's account name is their email address or phone number. Using email or a phone number is very convenient. Unfortunately, these platforms also include a request money feature. This feature allows the scammers exploit to defraud users. In the request money scam, fraudsters send a request money to a victim's account, appearing to come from a legitimate source like an online store or a known contact. Scammers hope that the victim either pays the request directly or calls them for assistance. At that point, they will pose as helpful agents with the P2P platform you are using and ask the victim to download software to steal further information. To avoid request money scams, follow these tips. Be wary of unsolicited money requests. Do not click links or provide personal information. Verify the sender's identity by contacting them through a separate channel. Avoid clicking links in emails or text messages. Manually type website addresses in your browser. Be cautious about sharing personal information online, as it can be exploited for identity theft or other crimes. P2P payment scams are becoming more prevalent. Here are some of the most common variations of P2P scams. Fake job postings. Scammers post fraudulent job listings and request money for uniforms, training materials, or background checks. Romance scams. Scammers create fake profiles on dating websites or social media to build relationships with victims and eventually request money for various reasons. The scammer may work on the victim for an extended period of time before taking an action. Overpayment scams. Scammers send checks or money orders for more than the amount owed and ask victims to send the difference back to them, resulting in a loss when the original payment bounces. Tech support scams. Scammers pose as tech company representatives and claim that the victim's computer has a virus or issue, then request payment for fixing it. Sweepstakes and lottery scams. Scammers inform victims that they've won a prize and request a fee to claim it. To protect yourself from P2P scams, use P2P payment platforms with robust security features. Never send money to someone you don't know or trust. Be cautious of unsolicited payment requests. Verify payments through the P2P platform itself before sending items. It is crucial for the public to report any suspected P2P scams to the Federal Trade Commission. In conclusion, here is a vital piece of advice. Remove any unnecessary names from your payment list. If you share an account or collaborate with others on a joint account, a single misstep can result in a substantial loss of funds. The bank is not liable for account user errors, regardless of who initiates the transaction. Once the money is sent, there is almost no way to reverse it, if not very difficult. We hope you find this video informative and useful. Please subscribe to this channel for anytime access to this and other videos. As a subscriber, you can request private videos or playlists by emailing us at strtextmaster@gmail.com. That's all for today. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.